I'm going to make a yummy cooking for my daddy. He's tired of working. Let's go, people.
What's your recipe, Ate B?
It's butter shrimp. People, 25. 25. We catch it.
Okay. The shrimp. Using a daddy's toothpick. Look. You can remove it. It's color black. Look at this. We will eat shrimp.
That's enough? Yeah, he's good. Well,
Yeah.
you can get some. He's that go catch. Boy, like that. Boy, go.
Don't be scared. We're gonna eat him later.
Yes. He's just a
Yummy.
It's really yummy. Go, boy. Let it rest for a moment, boy. No purple water.
Because of the onion.
Mom, it's boiling na.
Like that. Really hot, okay?
I'll do it like this.
It's okay, boy?
Touch it. Go,
Put it up.
Like that, like this. Boy, like this.
Yeah, very good. Yan. Like this, boy muna daw. Boy want to stir it.
Me first, before Bob. I'll remove Bob.
Need to pinch it. Yan. Squeeze it.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
More.
More.
Di pa. More. Press it.
Yeah. Enough.
Ano na?
What? Wala.
Put it na.
It's done. Wow. Thank you for watching. Bye.